Okay, Cox little stinker mystery ship disassembly. Already took the prop off. 3 screws are out. Elevator is popped loose. Pull the fuselage apart. Wing pops out. Struts were already loose. Canopy pops out. Engine and landing gear pop out. Start wiggling from the back. Clear the elevator. Bell crank. Fuselage side comes off. Bell crank comes off. Be very careful. Horizontal stabilizer comes out. Line up through the hole. Tab. Elevator horn side down. Bottom wing comes out. Push rod is just a L bend. Can come out. Then flip the elevator upside down. Slide it through the fuselage, line up that hinge point with the hole, and you're done.